Hello friends, welcome to a new video about hand recognition and hand tracking using MediaPy. So this MediaPy allows an web application and interfaces APIs for web developers and also Android APK developers and for hand tracking the movements in the hand and also the joints for the hand pose. So come let's explore the API and how to use it. So this is the API. So it will track the hand whether it is left or right hand, and even the joints it will track, even the closing and opening of the hands we can track in this. So it will be, if these joint points are tracked, we can use it for different applications like moving an object in the HTML space. So this can be used for augmented reality purposes. So even the it helps in tracking the both the hands. So left or right together it does not detect both the hands, but a single hand it detects whether it is a left hand or the right right hand. So similar application also they have one more application with a UI based. So even tracking the joints. So you can see it here. So this has even it tracks all the fingers and the movements with the joints also. This is the same application which is used. Just the UI is different. Both are from MediaPy. So come let's figure out how to use this MediaPy application. In MediaPy application, they basically use node format kind of coding to modify some of the things. So come let's go through this subgraph node. So basically it takes the handness, like whether it is a handness node or the landmarks node detection, and the input images goes to this overlay this node. So this node we can configure in the code itself using one pb text they are maintaining their format. So we can change the landmarks or the rgb coding, like here thickness of how much we want, or these things, those for the ui purpose. And even the algorithm wise we can change everything. So whether we want to take one more block of landmark and to process it, so multiple frames we have to take, how many frames should be taken in the each this thing, and even the resolution of the this thing and the frame rate, can everything be adjusted in this pp text of the MediaPy. So we can see few examples. So this handness is basically for it is actually not moving. This handness is for whether the it is to detect whether hand or not. And even these landmarks are basically nothing but the landmarks whichever joints we are able to see. As you see here, you can see the joints, right? These are the landmarks for that. There are around 20 landmarks, I think, or we can even configure more landmarks to get whether the center of the hand or something like that. So those things also we can configure. And the other thing is this is the block diagram, and outer block diagram and inner block diagram is this one. So there are two feedback loops they're maintaining. So that's why their quality of this thing is good, and then later merging those results. Actually hand landmark and two this you can see here, two loop backs are there. Previous loop back 1 and 2 means the previous frame and the next frame they are taking here, and then passing it to the hand detection. So this is the this thing. So you can see they're passing the flipped input video two times, two inputs, two blocks to the image property, and later combining the results. That's why they are able to provide better quality. So with this we can explore once again this thing. It is pretty good. Even the inner and the outer things work, and left and right both the time it won't work. But there are some disadvantage, some loopbacks which I found. You can see this curtain, it is sometimes this curtain it is detecting as right hand. This thing I observed during my testing. See, you can see there, sometimes it detects as a hand as well. So those kind of negative feedbacks are also there in this thing. But overall it's a good application which they have developed. So coming back to this thing, hand pose it tracks, I mean the joints it tracks, and we can use it in the application. As I mentioned, they're doing a feedback of images, raw images. Again, it's feedback. The previous images are fed back here, so their quality is good. So I'll be covering few more applications of this MediaPy applications, and later we'll develop an application for this. So subscribe to the channel to know about more applications of this MediaPy APIs.